I'll show you how to filter emails in Gmail using rules. Perfect for keeping your inbox clean and organized. Let's get started. To filter emails in Gmail using rules, start by opening Gmail on your desktop and clicking the small arrow in the search bar to bring up the advanced search options. Here, you can enter specific criteria like the sender's email, subject keywords, or whether the email has attachments. Once you've filled that out, click Create Filter. Then choose what you want Gmail to do with those emails, like automatically archive them, apply label, mark them as read, or even delete them. After selecting your actions, click Create Filter again to confirm. This simple setup helps keeping your inbox organized without having to manually sort every message. So that's it.